Introducing the all-new xTool Air Compress Assist, an intelligent, powerful air assist achieving perfect cutting performance. Start with 30 liters per minute. Traditional pumps lose more than half of their airflow under load due to diaphragm deformation. This xTool Air Compress Assist features advanced industrial air compress tech with a non-deforming metal piston pump. It delivers 30 liters per minute of airflow to the laser with zero loss, doubling the performance. It helps to get cleaner cutting edges than traditional rubber diaphragm pumps. You can cut faster now, with speeds increasing by 20%. Switch to auto mode for automatic air assist adjustment. No matter the type of laser processing or the type of machine, the upgraded HEPA filter ensures cleaner air, filtering 99.7% of dust, while stronger airflow efficiently clears away debris and smoke, extending your laser lens lifespan. xTool Air Compress Assist. Small in size, big on performance.